Good afternoon, one and all. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to stand here after arranging this kind of a program. The idea, prior to discussion of this idea, I would like to start with one of the famous saying about the education. Education is the amount of information that puts into our brain undigested until death. And we want man-making, character building and assimilation of ideas. As it is stated in the saying that education is the amount of information that puts into our brain. First, we need to receive the information. At the same time, we need to retain the information as long as we survive. That is the major purpose of education. So, here the program is arranged to evaluate the students' capabilities and caliber to assess whether they are eligible to secure a good job in a reputed company or not. This is only the major purpose. At the same time, after completion of a particular course, it is mandatory, it is compulsory for each and everyone to assess where they are standing and to calculate, analyze where they are standing, what they have learned, and how the learning will be useful and how it will be reproduced in future course of action. So as an engineer, I even recapitulate the words of our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, KCR. He stated, is one of his statements about the engineering colleges and engineering students' capacities. He stated that the colleges are not producing engineers after the engineers coming out of the college. He said that the engineers are becoming auto drivers, data entry operators, and they are doing some inferior jobs which are not suitable to their profile, right? So, in order to, after considering all these parameters, we want what kind of an engineer is required by industry. That is more important. So, the dilemma and the illusion the engineering students, what they are having is, they are feeling that soon after completion of the engineering, they are ready to get a good job and companies are willing to offer them with good salary, a handsome job. But it is not the reality. The reality is quite different from their illusions. And presently, gone those days when in the earlier stages of early days of 1970s when the industries were coming into the boom and India is becoming industrialized. In that situation, the companies were in need of only, there was no difference between horse and donkey, and the companies were considering both are equal. Nowadays, due to the industrialization, due to the heavy and competition, companies not only require horse, they require healthy horse. At the same time, they require a running horse. And finally, they require a winning horse. So what I am trying to convey here is, an engineering student should supposed to be a winning horse, then only he can able to secure a good job and good career. Right? And the purpose of this program, as I have already stated, that to evaluate, to assess the student capacities. Here, we have given an opportunity to our students to present what they have learned, and we are giving them a stage, a platform to show their abilities and capabilities. So that is the purpose of this program. I wish that the students who have, even though we have less gathering here, but I first congratulate the students who have reached in this premises. That is only a biggest achievement for them. They have reached here primarily. After putting lot of efforts, we would able to gather few students here. So the students who have reached in this premises, they certainly will become successful. At the same time, the students who are going to participate, those students who are going to come and participating on a stage, it does mean that those students are winners. It is secondary, the winning and losing. Primarily, you are coming to stage and standing and delivering what you have in your brain. That is the primary stage. If you participate in this primary stage, certainly I can say that none can stop you from achieving your targeted goals. With this information, I will conclude my speech, and I wish that the students might have understood what is my idea, and they should supposed to retain in the brain this idea and should supposed to implement. Thank you.